In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whiteboard on ClickUp. We'll start right from your workspace overview so you can add a whiteboard where your team already collaborates. At the top of your view bar, click the plus icon to add a new view, then choose Whiteboard. This opens a clean canvas where you can brainstorm, map processes, and connect ideas with your existing work in ClickUp. Once the whiteboard loads, open the ClickUp Items panel. This is where the tool really shines because you can bring in real tasks and documents, select Docs to surface your documentation, and then open the Docs option again to place a document directly on the canvas. That way, research, specs, or meeting notes sit right next to your diagram, making context easy to find. Next, add visual structure with shapes. Use rectangles for steps, diamonds for decisions, or circles for milestones, whatever fits your flow. Adjust the font settings so headings stand out and body text remains readable. Turn on highlight to emphasize key points and set the style to medium for a balanced, easy-to-scan look that doesn't overpower the canvas. Drop in notes to capture quick ideas or action items. Notes are perfect for brainstorming or assigning owners during a planning session. When you need longer content, switch to the text tool to write out descriptions, definitions, or instructions. To keep everything tidy, add a frame around related elements. Frames act like mini sections or slides, which is great for presenting a sequence or organizing phases of a project. Bring in images when visuals help tell the story. Screenshots, diagrams, or logos can make the board more memorable. If you're not sure where to start, open the Template Center and pick a ready-made whiteboard such as a flowchart, mind map, or retrospective. Templates give you a structure you can customize quickly, saving setup time. If your workspace includes the AI features, open the AI panel to generate ideas, summarize notes, or draft outlines right on the board. It's a helpful way to break through a blank canvas and keep momentum during working sessions. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share. If you want an open link, you can send broadly. Choose the option to share the link with anyone. For stricter control, switch to a private link. You can also use Share With to select specific people or teams, and then click Invite to send access directly. Before you finish, confirm whether collaborators can view or edit so the right people can contribute while your structure stays intact. That's it. You've set up a ClickUp whiteboard, added content, organized it cleanly, and shared it with your team.